Match number 27 of the Maharashtra Premier League 2024. Eagle Nashik Titans will play against the Raigad Royals here at the MCA International Stadium. Raigad Royals have won the toss, and on a bright sunny afternoon they will be bowling first. Let's have a quick look at both the teams. Eagle Nashik Titans, Mandar Bhandari, Arshin Kulkarni, Sahil Parakh, Atharva Kale and Rajit Nikam. Raigad Royals, Siddheshwar in very good form. Mehul Patel, Naushad Sheikh need to give him good company along with Vishant More, Sunil Yadav with his leg spin, Vicky Ostwal with his left arm spin. We are on match number 27. We haven't got a team that has entered the playoffs. We are ready for match number 27. First ball in the air, almost there to the fielder on the bounce.
अच्छा शेप दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, अच्छा टाइमिंग, बहुत ही बेहतरीन, अच्छे फॉर्म में दिख रहे हैं. Wow, picture perfect. Put the foot on the gas and try and be at least on the top of the points table. That's a big wicket. Straight up, that's a big wicket. Nikhil Khatam is used to picking up wickets in his first over, the very first delivery. Arshin Kulkarni departs for naught. It's 8 for 1.
Sahil Parakh. It's gone high up in the air. It's a chance. Two fielders. Yes, taken. Vicky Ostwal takes that catch. That is the point that we were making here in the Combox. So much of promise. Sahil Parakh.
Sahil Parakh departs for 2. It's 11 for 2 now, the Titans.
Kaushal Tambe, another promising talent. Nicely driven. What a shot that is from Mandar Bhandari.
Apesh, but it will fall in no man's land and cross the boundary fence. Yes, this time nicely played that one. What a way to end the over. Third boundary of the over. Yes, very, very unfortunate. We are witnessing some very enthralling contests here. These kind of rain breaks do not help the momentum of anyone. Eagle Nashik Titans will resume their innings now. Some reduction in overs. From 20 we went down to 17. Now it's 14 overs the side. Hanai Sangvi continue from where he left off before the rain break. That's that one powerfully. There's a fielder there. Plays that one. Oh, what a catch there. What a catch. Manoj Ingle. Terrific catch. We've been fortunate in this tournament. Excellent fielding.
Mandar Bhandari gone for 22, 29 for 3 now.
Now Atharva Kale, the new man in. This time pulls that one. And over. Shot again. Timed it well all the way. That's up. He's greeted. Rolled up with a straight hit. Got his delivery and he pulls that one. Oh!
Battery shot over the bowler's head.
Oh, what a way to start. The ball sails over the long on fielder. And once again, this time straighter. Yet another 6. Again this time. Yet another 6. Third 6 of this over.
They also fared well in the 4-day tournament also.
Ingle to continue. Low full toss, goes straight up. Fielder, deep mid wicket. Comes under it, taken. So a successful start to the 11th over. Going for the comparatively smaller boundary. Gets the elevation, not the distance. Kaushal Tambe dismissed for 34, 101 for 4.
Excellent timing here. Beautiful. बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी हो रही है और ये फाइनल की दिशा पे चौका मिला. Joint fastest 50 for Atharva Kale.
And he goes again, straight as an arrow.
यहाँ पर डालोगे तो बिल्कुल मौका बनेगा और बना हुआ है. टाइमिंग इतना अच्छा नहीं हुआ पर क्या इनिंग खेल के गया अथर्वा काले. Outstanding knock. Atharva Kale 57 on 18 balls with 8 sixes. Picked up by Sangvi, good catch by Mehul Patel. In comes Ranjit Nikam.
यहाँ पे शिंदे एक बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश, चौका है थर्ड मैन पर।
You have to hit that harder, and yes, power is what he has.
ये हवा में गेंद है बिल्कुल, बॉलर ही कैच पकड़ सकते हैं, अच्छे फील्डर है, बहुत ही बेहतरीन फील्डिंग, बढ़िया कैच विकी ओसवाल का, आउटस्टैंडिंग कैच। इतना आसान नहीं होता है जब आप गेंदबाजी करते हो, बॉल आपके ऊपर चली जाती है हवा में और जाके वो कैच पकड़ो, वहाँ पे हवा भी चल रही है ऑन फील्ड, और बहुत ही बेहतरीन कैच।
Yeah, Vicky Ostwal says, I'm going for it, not depending on anyone. Gets the wicket of Dhanraj, scoring 21, 146 for 6.
शॉर्ट बॉल, क्या बेहतरीन शॉट, कमाल का शॉट ये। बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश यहाँ पर, दो की तलाश में है, मिलेंगे नहीं मिलेंगे, बिल्कुल रन आउट यहाँ पर, दूसरे रन के लिए जाते हुए, पर अच्छी सही निर्णय था, आपको दूसरे रन के लिए जाने आए, और एक अच्छी बारी खेल के गए रंजीत निकम भी। 7 रन गेंदों में 14 रन बनाए उन्होंने, और एक अच्छा टोटल ईएनटी ने 155 का 6 विकेट पर बनाया है, और थैंक्स टू अथर्व काले, आउटस्टैंडिंग इन ही प्लेड।
Yes, 14 overs encounter, 156 for 7, the final score for the Eagle Nashik Titans. The revised target for Raigad Royals is 155 as per the Duckworth-Lewis Stern method. Yes, Siddesh Veer has a new opening partner, Yash Nahar.
Mukesh Chaudhary, who's picked up 10 wickets in the tournament so far, best of 3 for 30.
Time plays it down the ground, and the floodgates have opened in the very first over. This time, once again, this time the calling is clear. No, they clash, but the catch is taken. The catch is taken finally, but they did collide. Again, confusion, this time between the fielders, but finally, Siddesh Veer has fallen. The first strike.
Siddesh Veer finally departs for 6, is 7 for 1.
New man in, Mehul Patel. Dances down the track and will get a boundary.
That's nicely placed and will get a boundary, Mehul Patel.
Again this time it's up in the air. Who's under it? Mukesh Chaudhary. Mehul Patel, the pressure started telling on him, and he had to play that shot. And Mukesh Chaudhary has it easy.
Picking up the wicket of Mehul Patel, who departs for 7, 24 for 2.
It's now Shahid Sheikh. Yeah, Yashnal putting pressure on him. What a way to welcome Rehan Khan here. Rehan Khan comes into the attack. That's nicely hit.
बड़ी शॉट, टैक ऑफ द हैंड डालने की कोशिश।
This time he hits it really well.
Didn't time it too well, straight into the fielder's hand. And now we'll have to go back. Mukesh Chaudhary, no problem for him there. Scored a useful 28, 66 for 3.
Rishabh Rathod is the new batter. Prashant Solanki and then Akshay Vaikar in the previous over. This one in the gap will be a boundary. Full toss, but once again, oh, the fielder completely missed it.
Nicely played, but taken straight into the hands of the fielder. I think he timed it too well. And this is what we normally say, sometimes when the batter doesn't time it too well.
Rishabh Rathod gone for 10, 84 for 4. Vishant More, best of 68 this season. Fielder there on the boundary line. Will be just a single. Wants to come back for the second run. Could be close. Yes, let's see what the TV umpire has to tell us. He made his ground good, or is he shot? Well collected by Mandar Bhandari. Yes, he's gone. Has flicked the bails in time, and a very good throw. A long throw from long on. Vishant More run out for 1. 85 for 5, Raigad Royals.
The DLS method being implemented. Here goes a chance. Vicky Ostwal gets off the mark. Has he connected that one? Sweet sound going long. On the leg stump.
Is this the biggest six of the Maharashtra Premier League?
बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर लॉन्ग ऑफ की दिशा में बेहतरीन सिक्स.
Comes down the track, misses it. Mandar Bhandari makes no mistake. The left arm spinner gets the left arm spin. Akshay Vaikar has the last laugh against Vicky Ostwal.
बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी और बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश थी विकी ओस्वाल. इंटेंट सही था क्योंकि आपको रन चाहिए, जरूरी नहीं था थर्ड अंपायर के लिए जाने के लिए. अंपायर ने वहीं से डिसीजन देना चाहिए था. विकी ओस्वाल आउट. 160 120 पर 6.
Ajay Borude, new batter. Mukesh Chaudhary, the bowler. First ball, full toss, chance gone. Arshin Kulkarni. Straight up, long on, Arshin Kulkarni under it. The catch has been taken, so if it's a fair delivery, it's going to be a dot ball and a wicket. Borude dismissed for a run. 122 for 7.
फुल टॉस गेंद बिल्कुल हवा में गेंद यहाँ पर. बढ़िया कैच अक्षय वायकर ने लिया और नौशाद से 42 करके आउट हो गए. कोशिश अच्छी थी पर किसी ने साथ दिया नहीं. शुरुआत बहुत खराब हुई थी. उसके बाद अच्छा कमबैक किया तो मुकेश चौधरी यहाँ पे बढ़िया गेंदबाजी करके तीसरी विकेट इस ओवर की बोल्ड कर दिया है मनोज इंगले को. मनोज इंगले आउट होके पेविलियन में 124 पर नाउ.
One ball, last ball remaining. And there we go, an appeal not given though. But Eagle Nashik Titans. Nashik Dhol was Lats Paije because the Eagle Nashik Titans, the first team to qualify for the playoffs of the second season of the Maharashtra Premier League, have proved the quality that they have in their bowling. And the Eagle Nashik Titans have won this comfortably by 30 runs.